you see this, Nus? We're coming into cutting it into nothing now, ain't I?
Yeah.
So, not a problem, is it? As long as we make it look nice. So, this joint here, to make this look nice here, that joint's got to remain the same all the way. So, what I do, just a carpenter's pencil, I use that as my guide, Nus. Now, because it's curved, you can only go the length of the brick. So you can't just put a pencil there and draw. You have to do the individual brick.
Yeah.
But that's what I'm doing. So I'll measure that back from here to there, okay, minus the width of that, which is 12 mil. So that wants to be 210, and then 75, the brick's going to be there. 210 minus 12, 198. And 155 minus 12. Draw them two lines together, mark it on the brick, and then cut it. So it was a full brick, is it? $9.10. So it wants to be 178. Should have done it this way in the first place, shouldn't I? 75. 150. 138. 138. There, and then you just draw them lines, cut it. Cut that bit off, lay that in there, and we're going to keep this as our joint to make it uniform. If that's not uniform, you've got one bigger, smaller, bigger, it'll look awful. So when you've got a joint like that, let's see, make sure it's uniform, boys. And I always use something like that. Hope that can help.